What's going on, guys? So if you're using Kroo Bank and wondering how to get an overdraft, here's what you should know, especially since everything with Kroo happens inside the mobile app. Now, because Kroo is a fully digital bank, you really can't apply or manage an overdraft through their website. It's all done within the app itself. So if you don't currently have access to the app, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how the process normally works and what to expect when you do get in. So when you log into your Kroo mobile banking app, you're going to find an option under your account settings to apply for an arranged overdraft. So that's if you're eligible. So Kroo reviews eligibility based on your personal details, income, and credit history. So it's not automatically available for every account. So once approved, Kroo clearly shows you your overdraft limit, the interest rate, which is usually around 24.9% EAR variable, and how the interest is charged. So everything updates in real time inside the app, including your available balance and how much of an overdraft you've used. So if you don't see an overdraft option when you eventually get into the app, that simply means it's not available yet in your account. In that case, you can use Kroo's in-app chat to reach out to the customer support and ask about eligibility or future rollout. And that's really it, guys. So setting up an overdraft with Kroo is pretty straightforward once you're in the app. It's all digital, there are no hidden fees, and they're really transparent about the cost and limits. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.